Okay, so is PancakeSwap better than Uniswap? My answer would say no. I mean, Uniswap just completely innovated, and for me, is this is basically their race to lose. Uh, our engineers have gone through done a code review on Uniswap, and I mean, it's the real deal. That's why when they did the airdrop, I said I'm not selling. If you've seen that Wall Street meme for Wolf of Wall Street, where basically Jordan Belfort or DiCaprio is saying, "I'm not effing selling." I mean, that was basically me, because I feel like if you get good projects, solid projects, why would you sell? Because we're not here to make short-term money. We're here to make generational wealth. Right? That's like getting airdrop Bitcoin back in 20, 2013, 2012, or even earlier, and selling that, saying, you know what, I'm just trading this. Like, when you know something is fundamentally sound, not just sound, but the best, why would you sell that? That means you're getting it early, very, very undervalued. That's why when I got 1inch Exchange, Uniswap, all these projects that our team has gone through, and we've shared our code reviews with the customers back last year, and we said these are projects that if you're in DeFi, if you're in crypto, you should have these in your portfolio. Obviously, not investment advice, but definitely worth having. So to me, and first of all, PancakeSwap, I believe, is just a fork of, is basically forking Uniswap onto Binance Smart Chain and just changing the fees. So I think that's not really innovating, because innovation can always, like, good engineers, good teams, they can always defend themselves long term on competition. So to me, I don't think PancakeSwap has really done anything better, right? Because eventually, with version 3 of Uniswap launching, PancakeSwap, is it really better? Right? So to me, long term, I would have to go with no. What do you think?
Okay, so here's a question. When legacy investors go to get into DeFi, or legacy investors want to go what I would call beyond Coinbase, when people who are used to equities come in, and you're going to tell them that they can trade on Uniswap, who invented this type of trading, whose overall value of Uniswap is probably too cheap if you look at where Coinbase is trading, and you show that to a legacy investor and say, or you can go over to PancakeSwap and you can have less fee, but less security and less quality. Where are people going to want to go? Right? Because the way crypto creates generational wealth isn't if, like you or your friend, use crypto as kind of like an inflation hedge or a way to have fun. Generational wealth comes when legacy investors pour into crypto. Uniswap or PancakeSwap? I think it's Uniswap.
All right. Well said, Bill. Now, to add on to that, so while I do like Uniswap, I mean, I'm team 1inch Exchange. I mean, that is my platform, because why would you use Uniswap if 1inch Exchange does the same thing, but lets you look at all the other dexes and finds the best fill for you? It has smart order routing. So to me, I only use Uniswap if I have to, and that's really just to add liquidity to their pools. But for now, I mean, 1inch Exchange, that's my platform. So if anything, I'm bullish on that, because I think that is very, very undervalued. Because if we go to CoinGecko, UNI is now basically 12th in market cap, right? It's $8.4 billion. Uniswap is basically almost $30. And for anybody who got the airdrops, I mean, that's basically over 10 grand. That's almost 15 grand you got in less than 1 year if you just held, right? So the people who are trading that, I mean, that's, if you sold and never bought back in, that's basically not an L, because you still made money technically, but long term, that was not the move, in my opinion. But if we go to 1inch Exchange, yeah, because 1inch Exchange, market cap wise, is ranked 111th. I mean, 111th. Market cap $500 million. And to me, I think this is way, way undervalued. That's why I do have a position in this. Actually, more so than Uniswap. This is 5% of my portfolio. And I do most of my liquidity pools and yield farming through their dashboard. I'll cover this probably more towards the end of the show during the overtime session. But I mean, I'm bullish on this. I think this is way undervalued in my opinion. I think this should be top 20 market cap, maybe worst case top 30 or 40, right? So looking at that, I think this, because Uniswap is, we said 8 billion. I think this should be like 4 billion market cap, right? So we're looking at pretty much a 10x potential here.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.